Okay, so I want to start a series called Quick Nails on the Go, and that's for people who want to do their nails on the go or quickly with what they have and make good use of what they have wherever they are. So here I have my box, my UV lamp box, and I don't know if you guys keep those, but if you don't, then you can use something like this. You can use something like this, and this is the small one. I do have a bigger one. I don't know if they do write how big they are, but I usually keep my gel polish here because I do not have a nail room yet, so I do keep everything in containers, and that's why I keep the packaging of whatever nail supplies I do have, especially the big ones, because it's easier to keep everything in boxes and in squares so that it's easy to pack. But anyway, back to everything that I have right now. So let's take, I am going somewhere and I don't have time to do my nails before I go where I want to go, so I just pack everything, and I don't have like one of those portable trolleys that makeup artists use or whatever, just like I don't. This is all I'm gonna pack, and I want a quick nail set wherever I'm going, and I want to make sure that I still get good nails. So I would pack a gel finishing wipe, lint-free wipes, sanitizer right here, nail tips, and a nude acrylic, pinkish cover acrylic. Here I have my nail lamp, but I use my space very wisely, right? I have a dust brush remover. I have my top coat right here, base coat right here, nail lamp in which I put the monomer inside. I have the damping dish and the black acrylic. I have scissors. I don't think I'm gonna need scissors for the set, but anyway, I do have a nail tip cutter. I have stickers right here. I should already have an idea of what I want to do, so that's why I pack specifically. And then I have nail files right here, different grid sizes. Take all the ones that you use. I already have glue that fell to the other side, nail glue. I've got primer right here. I've got an acrylic brush, cuticle oil, and right underneath everything I have the paper towel that I'm going to be working on top of. So and I've got tweezers. So I'm going to use everything that I have right now, and if I've forgotten anything, I'm going to act like I don't have anything else outside of this because I am not home and I need to make a nail set work. Okay, quick nails on the go, and let's see how quick those are going to be. Okay, let me set up and then I'm going to show how long it takes. It is 16:05 right now. Let's see how long it takes to set up, and then we're going to start our nail set and see how quick is this quick nail set on the go. Okay, never mind about the time. This is the time right now. It is 16:29, so let's just say it's 16:30, and let's see how long the nails take to do. Okay, I do have a little bit of product, or a lot of product on my nails right there. I'm not going to remove everything from my nails because I don't want to thin my nails out, so I do have a bit of builder gel that I have on there with a set, and that's why it took me 30 minutes to set up, because I forgot I had nails that I had to remove before doing the nails. But I'm just going to size these out, and we're gonna get straight to doing the nails. And I might have to size up a little, seeing that I do have product on my nails already, but I'm not gonna file it all the way down because I don't want to thin my nails out, seeing that I had just done the builder gel set that I did not like before this, and I was like, you know what, let me just do a proper set, because like I always say, life is too short to have nails that you do not like. Okay, don't like the nails, remove them. Do something you like, because YOLO. And of course I'm going to use this nail glue to put these nails on. It is a bit hot and the glue is too sticky for my liking. It's just stringy. I don't know if it means it's growing old or what. Do I need to get a new glue? Let me know what you guys think. But usually when it's hot, the glue is so stringy. It is so annoying, honestly. But I am putting a huge chunk of that tip on my nail because it has like that part that is huge. I feel like it's too big, but I'll still put my nail like that either way, not like that, because I feel like it's ridiculous to do that unless I file the nail so that I don't have much of the tip or the glue on your nail, because apparently that also causes your nail to lift quicker than it should. But we'll test that out, and we hope that at least it can make a week, because I usually keep my nails for a week, and if I'm too busy, then maybe 2 weeks. 3 weeks would be pushing it, but maybe I should do that to test out the primer that I've been using, the new Bling Girl primer that I got. I should compare that with the Planet Nails primer. I should probably get the Planet Nails primer once again and just see how long the nails last. Also, excuse that part, the dark part there. I did have a nail accident a while ago. I don't know how many sets ago, but yeah, I did hurt myself a few sets ago. Doesn't hurt now, but it does show that it did hurt when it happened. Okay, so I do have all the nails on. They're curved and they stiletto, but I'm not looking for that. I want coffin nails. Okay, I wanted to do an ASMR for cutting, but that didn't sound too loud. So I'm hoping you can hear that on camera. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to remove that part because what was the point? All right, so I am just gonna jump in and do the nails. I do not have a clear with me because I already knew that I wanted to do Frenchies, and I do not like encapsulating my Frenchies. I mean, if I could, I would, but only because, oops, before I do that, I need to apply primer, okay? I'm gonna apply primer. There's so much dust on it. There's just dust everywhere. I like to keep my windows open and my things are just exposed to dust, okay? Anyway, but what I was trying to say is I do not have clear acrylic with me because I don't particularly apply my Frenchies quite neat, and don't ever do that, okay? Don't let the primer touch the skin because some of them are acid base and I don't think that is good for your skin. But anyway, I had too much on the brush for the pinky. So if I could apply Frenchies neatly, I would encapsulate my Frenchies, but I don't particularly apply them too neat. So I would rather do the reveal of the Frenchie where I would apply the Frenchie part of the nail over the nude, over the French or the smile line. So that's why I don't have a clear acrylic with me. So I'm planning to apply the French line or the smile line thick so that I don't have to worry about the nails not having an apex. I am going to apply a full coverage of this nude on my ring finger because I want to make that an accent nail. I just want to do that before I forget which one is an accent nail, which I don't think would be a problem anyway, because if I had done a Frenchie over this nail, I'll just fill the rest of the nail with more acrylic, right? But just so I have that out of the way, that is exactly what I'm gonna do. Right, so that was Pinkish from Bling Girl, and I went ahead and did Frenchies on the rest of the nails. So now I'm just gonna go on with the black because I am going to be doing black French nails. Ooh, why does that look like that? Interesting. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing black French tips using acrylic for the first time. Okay, this is going to be interesting, I believe. So let's see how that goes. This is just so interesting. Wow. Okay, I don't know which finger to start with. Let's start with the thumb. Oof, that feels good. Honestly, it feels like clay. That is so interesting, actually. It is hot, so of course everything is gonna dry quickly. I'm gonna try my best, especially knowing that I am not used to working with the Miss Smoo acrylic because this is new. If you haven't watched the video where I actually show these in a haul, I will link it up in the cards. This is so dark. Oh my gosh, I am quite impressed. Is this what people mean when they say it applies like butter? Because literally it feels like clay, like the kind of clay that we used to use in preschool, if you know what I mean. Kind of feels like it would never dry. That's how it feels. That's why clay is the first thing that came to mind as I used this. But I did apply the Frenchies thick like I said I would, so that I can just file them down, because I know that my application for Frenchies is not particularly neat, so I don't want to come back and encapsulate these. I'm just gonna work thick, which for some people might think think this is kind of like a waste of material, but this is what works for me. And after the amount of years that I've done nails, this is literally what works for me. I'm gonna shut up now because there's like kids playing outside and I'm not in the mood to go tell them to go play downstairs. I don't know why they like coming upstairs and playing by my door, because I am literally in the corner of upstairs, so no one should be coming to my side except me, because I don't have any apartment next to me. I have stairs next to me, and then the rest of the apartments are I'm like, I don't know how to explain it, but like when you come up the stairs, I'm on the left of the stairs, and then it's my apartment only. Then next to my apartment is like, you know, one of those rooms where they keep, I don't want to say storage or whatever, but kind of like that, you know, for maintaining, I'm guessing it's geysers or whatever, but I don't know, one of those rooms that you never really go into. That's next to me. And then on the right of the stairs, all the other apartments. So I don't know why these kids feel the need to play right in front of my door. I'm not in the mood to chase them away, so I'm just going to keep quiet and apply this. In fact, I feel like this is repetitive, so I'm just going to apply the rest of the nails off camera. These are too thick, so there's going to be a lot of filing, okay? A lot of filing, a whole lot of filing. Okay, so that black is applied and it is not neat. I know, that's why I applied my Frenchies thick enough so that I can file everything down, and hopefully the smile line will reveal itself. So that is a black color, like I said, from the Miss Smooth brand, and I bought this from Tina Beauty, and I already linked the video up in the cards if you're interested to watch. So I'm just gonna wait for this black to fully dry. I feel like this one is a little dry, but I'm gonna wait for this to fully dry before I start filing, because you do know how color acrylics are, they're not like clear acrylics. So I'm just gonna wait for this to dry, and then I am gonna start filing. All right, I feel like my thumb is cured, and also because I started with it, so I'm just gonna go in the order that I had applied this. These are actually warm, the acrylic is warm, and like I said, it is really hot here, so I'm guessing it's because they're polymerizing and we're in a hot weather and stuff. But thank goodness that black is not on my nail beds, because that was gonna burn me. Okay, but I'm not gonna bore you with the whole process of filing, so I'm just gonna go through and do this off camera. I am almost an hour in of doing the nails. We started at 16:29, and just before I started filing I checked the time and it's now 17:16. I'm guessing if you were to do both of your nails, it would take you twice the time that it's taking me to do this one hand, but I will show the time. Hopefully I don't forget at the end of the video to see how long this quick nail set on the go takes. Okay, filing took me longer than I expected. Okay, it is currently 17:50. Also because I am watching Ricky T and also Denzel Dion, and if you know, you know, they're really nice to watch. So I got really comfortable watching them as I was filing my nails, and I got tempted to use an e-file, but the whole point of this is to use the products or the nail material, whatever, that I showed in the beginning of the video. So I didn't want to cheat, and that's why it took longer than I expected, because also these nails were really thick. I don't know if you remember how thick these were, so I had to really bulk them down. I put my back into this. Okay, so I'm just gonna cure that. Okay, so that is cured. I am tempted to use the lint-free wipe to just wipe off. Okay, no, let me just do it, it's fine, because I was like, what's the difference of me putting a sticker on top of this inhibition layer or just wiping off the inhibition layer and just putting the sticker on a smooth layer, because that's the whole reason why we put base gel there. Do not mind this, okay? I understand it's annoying, because I looked up and I realized, oh, this is in your face, but okay, we will fix that. Okay, it will be fixed, it will be removed, and if not all of it is removed, after a while of doing this nail set, it will be removed. Okay, enough about that. So I am going to use the stickers that I got here. Remember, the whole point of this video is to do simple nails. Okay, they were supposed to take a shorter time, but I did get carried away and took my time with the filing, so we are still gonna post this under the quick nails on the go series. Okay, so I'm gonna take this heart and just gonna put it right there. I think that's cute. I think that is cute. No, I think it should have been the other way, because I feel like it's hidden, and I feel like my pinky, yeah, no, you know, detail, attention to detail. I'm just gonna remove this and do it right. Okay, so now that I have that heart removed, I'm also looking at this one. I'm like, this one is cute. Maybe I should take this one. I mean, this one is the same, but it's just the heart is thinner. So I'm just going to go for this one. Let's take this one that's closer. Because I'm like, hey, there's different types of hearts here. I don't think I've ever used these hearts before, but you know what? I do forget, and I did take a 1-year hiatus. So it's possible that I have used these hearts before, and I just don't remember. Oof, how do I put this on? Maybe I don't want to touch it because then I remove the sticky layer. I think that might work, and I think that is perfect. That is perfect. Okay, fine. I am going to apply top coat because then I am done with these nails. Oop, you can see that I might have filed a little bit too much or a little too little. Was I supposed to remove that part? I think I was. Let me just fix that. I'll be back. Okay, I think that is much better. Maybe let me wipe that off and then let's reapply that top coat. Yeah, I've got so much dust because look at that, all the lint from that lint free wipe. Let's get a new one. Maybe it's because I have already used that one, and this time I will use sanitizer because I have it here and I haven't used it, so might as well. That is not looking good. Wow. So maybe we should just stick to the white lint full wipes because they're supposed to be lint free, but they're full of lint. So that's the reason why I've been trying out these other lint free wipes, because I'm trying to run away from those other ones. Wow. Okay, no, I'm not liking that. Let's try again. I feel like I'm wasting product here because child. Okay, I think that's much better. I do feel like some of the black went in the crevices of the nail, but it's fine. Let's try that again. The whole point, like I said, of this is to keep the nails simple, and you're doing the nails on the go, so you won't have any of your charms or any of the things that you usually put on your nails to make them extra. It's just to do nails when you need nails. Like right now, you know, let's take you have like a quick photo shoot that you have to do with the family, like an Easter photo shoot or whatever, and you don't have nails on, and you're like, you know what, let me just pack my bags and quickly go to the family and I'll do my nails when I get there. And you have this cute idea, and this was supposed to be a quick one. Like I said, maybe had I not applied my nails too thick, the filing wouldn't have taken so much of the time, but you get the idea of where I'm going with this. Okay, it's supposed to be like a simple set that you can do look at that looks like I drew that French line. That is so crisp. I am proud of that. Wow, I am really proud of that. Great, so there we have the nails. Very simple. I like them. This is what the very cutesy girls would go for, you know, not my kind of style, but I would wear it for sure. I wanted to say if I didn't have a choice, but technically it's not like I don't have a choice right now, but I'm just wearing it because I thought, why not, you know, why not? And I'm gonna keep this on, trust me, I am. So what do you guys think about the series that I'm about to start, the quick nails on the go? I want to do quick nail sets when I can, you know, to show that you can get a cute nail set even when you don't have enough time, or just, you know, when you're on the go and you don't have the luxury of doing your nails like you usually do, like at home or at your nail salon and stuff, and you just need something cute, something quick. I think these are cute. I love them. What is the aim? Once again, the aim is to look good, because when you look good, you feel good, and when you feel good, you do good. Right? Now let me know what you think about these nails and the series. I appreciate you for watching the video thus far. Please leave a black heart emoji to let me know that you've watched thus far. I appreciate you for watching, and I hope you subscribe so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I hope you stay tuned for my next video. Okay, bye.